We all know that humans need to breathe air in order to live. On Earth, our atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, produced by these guys. However, on Mars, its atmosphere is composed of 95% carbon dioxide, 3% nitrogen, and trace amounts of oxygen, unsuitable for our survival. As we set our sights on exploring planets such as Mars, one of the biggest challenges we face is supplying astronauts with oxygen. While we could transport oxygen into space, the cost of doing so would be unsustainable for the long term and ultimately prove to be ineffective. However, recently, on NASA's Mars 2020 mission, the rover Perseverance was deployed. On board this rover was an experiment called MOXIE, short for the Mars Oxygen In-Situ Resource Utilization Experiment. The goal of the experiment was to determine if we could use Mars' abundance of CO2 to produce oxygen. And so, what happened? Hold your breath! Well, actually, I guess you wouldn't have to, since at its peak efficiency, MOXIE produced 12 grams of oxygen per hour. Well, how exactly does this technology work? First, Martian air is compressed and then heated up. From there, the carbon dioxide is separated into oxygen and carbon monoxide. Later on, an additional atom of oxygen joins the individual one, forming O2, the form of oxygen we need to breathe. So does this mean I can get off this rock already? Improvements in technologies like those tested in MOXIE will allow us to further our space exploration pursuits.